Hello everyone. So today we are working on that last part. Means in the last session we built that admin section. Okay, go to that web browser page. Wait, where is that? This is not this. Okay, so okay, this one already we made. Okay, I will change that title. Okay, wait. So go to that leave header, leave design. Go to that leave design. In that leave design, here we can see the title. The title is called now Librarian admin manager. Okay, so today we're working on that view part. In here we are showing that view part. Okay, now first give that route. In the left side word, in the same way we are calling the route. Okay, so go to that file. That file name is left side. Okay, in that left side we can see here one option book. In here we are putting this, and here librarian view books. Okay, go to that browser, reload it, and now see, now this view books is coming. In here we need that table. Okay, so navbar is common for everyone. Okay, so go to that controller. In that view books we just copy we only just go to that book controller, book controller I think. Book controller. Here we copied that whole view books part. Okay, right. So we copied the whole view books part. I think only we need this one. So according to librarian, librarian can see that whole book details and all the book catalog details, and also the book call number details. So that we don't need the catalog. We basically, that call number is already there. So also librarian can see the call number also in that the page, in this page. Okay, same thing we need. So go to that view books, means admin view books, this one, and I copied this th and t body. Okay, copied it. Then go to that view book, librarian view books, and in here replace the t head and t body with that. Replace, done. Okay, so you can see that replace is done. Here we don't need that select books option. Cover image, book name, under category, writer name, publication, okay, all those things we need. PDF status, see only that here, and one we need call number. Okay, book control, go to that book control, copy that barcode generator things and paste it here. Okay, we need also that barcode generator code, and we also need that all the classes. Okay, from here. This is not needed, this one. Okay, I will copy the whole things. Which is needed, they are using. If not, then not. Check. So done. Okay, so we need to change that something over here. So in that table we can only show the cover image, book name, under category, writer name, publication name, and edition year, and that okay, we can also show the same thing. First, select book is not needed, status also don't need it, so we remove the select input, and we also remove the status input, because library can see only that enable status books. Okay, now all okay, I think. Yeah, not available. Wow, is not available is a link. Okay, I will check. So okay, all details they can show. So complete, I think. Okay, we need to change one thing. Here we need one validation. Okay, we wait here. Okay, so we need one validation. That validation is where status equal to so according to our this system. So go to that books table, status is 1 or 0, so where status only 1, where status equal to 1, not equal to status equal to 1, I think. Third bracket needed, third bracket needed, I think. Okay. Again reload it. Oh, status in where clause ambiguous. Where status equal to 1. Yeah, we are using same way. Status equal to 1, then get. We need to change here books.status. Okay, now reload it. So all are perfecting okay. So here also we need some modification. We need to go to that view books. Copy and go to that th. So now totally 5. Okay, so in that number of copies we show how many copies are available in our library. Okay, so here also called available number of copies. Okay, so it's available copies, it's looking good. Okay, so this is the structure. So library can see that only this structure, not another else. Okay, so library can see only this structure. So library can also, okay, another thing, library can only view, not edit or delete it. Okay, so we remove that edit and delete option also. Okay, so go to that here, edit and delete, both we deleted. Now so user can view full details, so user can check all those things, how this is working and all those things. And user cannot see that source of book. I think why librarian see that source of book, that is not necessary, I think. Okay, source of books, okay, leave it. So library can also see if anything needed from that, so library can use it. Okay, okay, I think all done. Okay, so only one thing's left, that is available copies, so that we will change later. Okay, so till now bye. This video is very short and very short things is there, so don't worry, I'll back soon with another new video. Okay, bye bye.